So we are doing our chapter 8, and in that we have last time completed exercise 8.3. Hidal was absent, so just complete it from the videos of application that is there. Okay. So
Okay.
last time we have done some identities of trigonometry, right? So first identity was sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, right? These three identity we are going to use to solve the sums, okay, in the next exercise. So we are starting our exercise 8.4. In that, if we have noticed that first, second, third, fourth, these four sums are omitted, means reduced by the government, okay? So we are not going to solve them. Now we will find, or we will go directly on question number 5. That is, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. So we have to prove that, means you have to use the three identities, and we have to prove that both are the same. Okay. So मीन्स अभी तक हमने जो भी कुछ पढ़ा है, मतलब द मतलब what values from sin cos tan theta, right? So and opposite of that cosec square sec and the cot theta. Now we are going to put the values and you will get the answers, or we can say solution. Okay. Now we will start first question. Our first question is said 1 into bracket cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Now we have to prove, right? So first of all, what will you get? We have to write here plus your LHS. What is given your LHS? So LHS is given as cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Now students, we have to simplify this term. How? So first cosec theta and cot theta we know that, right? How can we write cosec theta? So cosec theta is a reciprocal of which identities?
Sin theta.
So we can write 1 upon sin theta, right? Because 1 upon sin theta is equal to cos theta. Similarly, now cot theta is equal to what? 1 upon tan
1
theta.
upon tan theta.
But here we don't want tan theta. We want what? Cos or sin. We want cos, right? So we will write in the case of cos and sin. So as you know that tan theta is equal to sin upon cos. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So cot theta is equal to what? Reciprocal of tan theta. So we can write cos theta upon sin theta. Yes. So instead of this cot theta, we will write cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, cos theta upon sin theta, and whole square is here. Okay, now we are going to take the LCM. So what will be the LCM? So here sin and sin theta is here. So sin theta will be the LCM, right? Here sin theta is here. Here also is here. So directly become 1 minus cos theta whole square. Right? Now we are giving separate square to the both. So what will become 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. Getting this much?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I have just distributed this square. Okay. Now what will I do now? So 1 minus cos square theta, I will write 2 times. Why? Because we want as only one time only, right? We just want here only one time. Here square is that is 2 times is set. So we will write it only one time. So here I am writing that 1 minus cos theta into another bracket 1 minus cos theta. Okay, 2 times cos theta divided by. Now sin square theta is set, but we don't want sin square theta, right? So what can we use? Here we will use sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 as identity, because we have to remove the sin square theta. So I am writing over here to explain. Okay. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Right? How can I remove the sin square theta? So if I will make it alone, it becomes 1 minus cos square theta. Yes or no? So now
Yes,
instead
ma'am.
of the sin square theta, I will write 1 minus cos square theta. Understood this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
instead of sin square theta, I will write 1 minus cos square theta. So I am writing here 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. In bracket you can write this one. What? Here you will write this segment. The sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then bracket. Okay. In that bracket only you just write it down that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta like this thing. Okay. Now we are going ahead. So here what will become? Here become a square minus b square. Okay. 1 means it is square of 1. If we can add 1 square minus this become cos theta square. Like this way. I am repeating it. 1 minus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta 2 times. Divided by here again 1 square minus cos theta whole square. Getting? They become a square minus b square. So what can we write?
A plus B, A minus B.
A plus and a minus b. So 1 minus cos theta and here 1 minus cos theta 2 times. Divided by what can we write? A minus b and a plus b. So 1 time 1 minus cos theta and 1 time 1 plus cos theta. Right? So this 1 minus cos theta and this 1 minus cos theta will be cancelling out. And what is remaining? 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta that we want in the RHS. Yes?
मैम
हाँ.
मैम ये
Ma'am.
फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन रिड्यूस
हाँ.
नहीं है
1 2
1 to
3
4
4
ही आने वाला है फिफ्थ कैंसिल है
Fifth cancel है?
हाँ 1 2 3
यस
4
मैम
आने
1
वाला
to
है
4 ही है और फिफ्थ कैंसिल है
Okay, फिर we just complete it one time. Okay?
हाँ मैम वो समझ में आने के लिए वैसे है ना मैम
हाँ.
किसी ऑब्जेक्ट में भी तो आ सकते हैं
ठीक है, पहले ये कर लेते थे फिर मुझे उल्टा लगा. Just complete it.
ओके
So you will just write 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, and like this way we can prove that this is called your RHS. See, after finishing that you have to write that RHS is equal to LHS and whole statement of question. Okay? Then only you will get the whole marks. Now first question. First question is that express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in the terms of cot A. Means in that your cot should come. So let's do that sum. Okay, first of all I should erase. So you have to find out the value of sin theta, sin A, sec A and cot A. Sorry, tan A you have to find it out. In the terms of what? It should come cot A in your answer. Okay, कुछ भी करो but cot A should come in your answer. Okay, so what will you do now? First we are finding sin A. Sin A is equal to what? Can you write? Opposite you have to think. So sin is equal to 1 upon cosec. Yes or no? Sin A is equal to
Yes,
1
ma'am.
upon your cosec A. Now, cosec A is there. So what can we, how can we use the, relate the cosec to the cot? Cosec और cot का को लिख देना है.
मैम वो cosec वाला था ना cosec से 90 minus A equals to cot
नहीं, cosec तो sec में कन्वर्ट होगा फिर 90 minus A करेंगे ना तो.
अच्छा
है ना. सो ये हमने पढ़ा 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So अगर cosec square को replace करना है तो we can use this identity and that is there in the cot theta. So right, so here we have just cos theta, right? But here cosec square theta is there. So what can we write? So cosec theta is equal to under root of 1 plus cot square theta will come, right? Here we have to remove the square. So here we have to give the square root. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now 1 upon cos A. So cos A, here instead of theta, A is given. So we are putting A. So instead of cos theta, we can write under root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So directly I am writing 1 upon under root of 1 plus cot square theta. Right. So the value of sine A, here will come A. So the value of sine A is equal to 1 upon under root of 1 plus cot square A. Okay. These all things you have to write in a bracket. आपको ये पूरा ब्रैकेट में लिखना पड़ेगा. और थीटा के बदले you have to write A instead of theta. You write in a proper A. Clear? Understood everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Erase कर लो अपने. Now, second we have to find out the sec A. Sine A we have completed. Now we are going to find out the sec A. Now, sec A is equal to what? We have seen that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so instead of sec A, I can write what? So sec A will become what? Under root of 1 plus tan square A, right? Instead of sec A, I can write 1 plus tan square A. So similarly, I am writing over here 1 plus or not? No. Directly under root of 1 plus tan square A. Right? This you have to write in a bracket only. This identity only. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Okay? Now, 1 plus tan square A. Now, tan is related to the cot. Remember, tan or there is a relationship between the tan and cot. So, what is the relationship? So, tan square A become 1 upon cot square A. Tan is equal to 1 upon cot. So tan square is equal to 1 upon cot square A. Right? Now we can take the LCM. So here what will come? Cot square will become the LCM and upper side will come 1 become cot square A plus 1. Right? That will be our answer. And if you are taking the under root, what will become at last? Only under root will come upper side. So become cot square A, or we can write 1 plus cot square A upon cot A. Here square and this square root will be cancelled out in the denominator. So in denominator only cot A will become, and here become under root of cot square A plus 1, or you can write cot 1 plus cot square A. Okay?
मैम एक बार फिर से बताओ ना.
ओके चलो फिर से करते हैं एक बार. We have now A1 sec A. So sec A is equal to what? As we know that 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Right? 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So here we have just sec A. So what can we write? We have to take the square root. So sec A is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square A. Right? So we have written 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec A. Clear? This we have used here. Now, we don't want tan also. We want cot. So what is the relation of tan and cot? So tan is equal to 1 upon cot. So here tan square is here. So answer will become 1 upon cot square A. Okay, now here LCM we have to take because 1 upon nothing is there. 1 is there. So we are taking the LCM 1 and cot square A. So LCM will be cot square A. So here we have to multiply with cot square A plus 1. Okay, so we got here cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. That will become an whole under root. Now we are separating it. So here if we take out the square root of this one, it is not possible. So we are writing it in under root of cot square A plus 1. Here we can take out the square root of cot square A. Right? That is what only cot A.
Yes, yes.
Okay, understood everybody now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now last we have to find out the value of tan A. So tan A is equal to what? 1 upon cot A. So it becomes 1 upon cot A. That is the value of tan A. Clear? And that is our answer also.
मैम लास्ट में ये tan A equals to cot A 1 upon cot A क्यों लिखा है?
So as you know, tan A is a reciprocal of cot A. In the beginning we understood sin. What we can write? Sin A is a reciprocal of cosec A. Right or not? We have understood in the beginning.
Yes, ma'am.
So tan A is a reciprocal of cot A, or cot A is a reciprocal of tan A. Right or not? Here also we have used tan A is equal to what? 1 upon cot A. So here tan square is there, so we have taken a square. And here only square is not there, so we have written tan A is equal to 1 upon cot A. I समझ में?